Hello, this is Richard C. Wilson, founder of the Family Office Club and Central Millionaire Advisors, coming to you from downtown San Francisco. We've got a few hundred people up here at my private investor summit that I'm hosting today. And I just wanted to share a comment on how the whole investment industry and the family office space runs on trust. Everyone wants to get high conviction, high trust. The team is most important. They have to trust the team. The track record adds to the trust, etc. And it was interesting because on one of the discussion panels with family offices, one of the family offices said that they will only reply to emails where there is a referral or a sense of high trust. So how do you instill that sense of high trust? Because many people getting started in the space aren't starting out with hundreds of people referring business to them, or they would already be managing $1 billion or several $100 million. So all of it is about 30 different ways you can genuinely add value to investors along the way while building trust with them. At the end of the day, that's what's most central. And if you're an investor listening to this, you know that you're not comfortable unless you really trust how the value is added, how the strategy works, what the team's background is, that they have a good, solid, sustainable strategy that's going to do okay through a downturn or an economy that's unpredictable. And I think that if you look at the trust you need to have in the team, the strategy, and the industry they're in, and look at it in that way and segment it that way and really focus on getting to know them, the industry, and the exact opportunity by seeing the asset in person and conducting thorough due diligence, then that can help speed up and make more holistic your due diligence processes. We have other videos on both topics, the 3 trust curves for those raising capital, as well as the importance of due diligence and some different due diligence tips. If you want to check out that content, please visit centamillionaires.com for investors or familyoffices.com if you're someone raising capital or looking to work with other family offices. I hope you found this valuable. The topic of trust just comes up so often. I wanted to create a video on it just to try to put some extra attention on how important that is and how central it is, so people realize that their personal integrity and their business, their life, their team, their core values, their family office, their deal flow, their track record, the integration and integrity of all those things is what builds a great foundation of trust. When you do something very consistently and you're committed to your craft for a long period of time, and people see you working in a space for over a decade in a consistent way, in a consistent fashion, treating everybody with respect and doing things in a classy, professional way, it adds momentum to everything you do. And if anything's out of line, it pulls away and people don't know if they can trust you or not. So this is Richard Wilson. Hope to see you at one of our events soon so we can shake hands and meet in person. And thanks for watching our content.